how to transfer money from Stripe to Binance 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you the new method to transfer money from Stripe to Binance in 2025. So first of all, you have to withdraw from Stripe to your bank account. So first, for that, log into your Stripe dashboard, go to balances and then payouts, and select your connected bank accounts and request a payout, and wait 1 to 3 business days. Instant payouts may be available depending on your country and setup. And after that, you have to deposit to Binance from your bank account. So for that, you have to log into your Binance account, go to wallet and then fiat and spot, and then deposit. You have to choose your local currency like USD, euro, or any other currency. You then select the bank transfer option. Binance will give you bank details, and from your bank account send money to Binance using the provided details, and funds usually arrive in 1 to 2 days depending on your bank and Binance's processing time. And after that, buy crypto or trade in Binance. Once the fiat money shows up in Binance, you can buy crypto or start trading. And Stripe doesn't allow crypto exchange payouts directly due to regulatory compliance. And always use a bank account in your name when transferring to Binance to avoid restrictions, and check for transfer fees, bank limits, and Binance's fiat deposit instructions in your region. And you must withdraw from Stripe to your bank and then deposit from bank to Binance. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.